Decision Plus has been and still is a leading stock market service provider. From training to coaching, we cover it all. Try both our software as well as our coaching site, completely free for 10 days without obligation. No credit card is needed to sign up for the trial. The trial subscription will be automatically canceled for you at the end. DecisionPlus.com, your stock market service center. Real-time coaching has been created. We search and classify critical reports and technical movements. You can visualize or hear the best buying and selling opportunities. Get real-time advice all day long and 3 live coaching shows per day. Let us do the work and save your time for trading. Try marketgurus.tv free without obligation for 10 days in the menus above. Market Vision Plus is the trading companion of so many investors. Make your fundamental and technical analysis easy with Canada's #1 stock market decision-making software. Research, decide, and follow your positions with Market Vision Plus. See the menus just above this program and try Market Vision Plus for 10 days without any obligation after the show. When it comes to day trading, Trader Plus is the right tool. Track 50 quotes simultaneously. Create dozens of quick lists. Display as many as 30 real-time intraday charts at the same time. Watch the action with candlesticks or bar charts as fast as 10 seconds. See the market by sectors. Use the chart models already prepared for you. Try Trader Plus for 10 days in the menu above without any obligation.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the Swing Trading Show. We are Wednesday, May 31st, 2017. The market has been surging quite a bit this morning. Let's see it that way. So, first of all markets started on the upside, very little on the TSX, a little more on NASDAQ, but soon after the opening, the Chicago Manufacturing Index came out with a bad result. So that's why the market has plunged. And there has been quite a bit of rebound also. And now there's a sideways volatility on the market. So we're waiting to see where it's going to head. But it's been so volatile this morning. A lot of stuff were interesting. A lot of nice day trading stock also. 2 or 3 has produced a very impressive movement. And first of all, a few financial results. Michael Kors Holding is going down with good result. That's from 70 to 73 cents, but 11% decrease in the sale. Analog device broke out yesterday, continued a little bit today from 84 to 103. Daktronic 3 cents to 2 cents. Despite that, the stock is going up. National Bank 126 to 128, 2 cents better. Almost the only bank that did not break down this morning, not break down, but did not go in correction. And CAE is coming down also from 30 to 31 cents. So hasn't been interpreted very positively. And this company here, Akari Therapeutic, is going down because something the president has declared. He has approved a report on one of their cure, but they said that the cure was about the same result as one of their competitor. And Exact Science has a virtual coloscopy. And they said that United Health could accept this cure and pay for it. So that's why the stock is going up. United Health is going down. And the crude oil is going down because in Libya they have fixed a problem and they could restart some of the production there, and it sends some worries about the production reduction. So that's the reason why it was going down this morning. Now we had a pullback from this bottom at 985, and now we'll see if it's going to come back or down in the next few minutes probably. And this is it. The London market is going up, and they say that the inflation is strongly going down from 1.9 to 1.4. So the U.S. dollar is going down slightly today, but it did not help the resources, as the crude oil is coming down, the gas is coming down, and the energy stock that broke down yesterday are continuing downward. And the gold was pushing up a little bit this morning, but the stock did not react a lot to this because now there's no more increase on it. So the gold stocks are not following the movement. In the mining, we had several breakdowns this morning about Labrador Iron Ore, London, Teck, First Quantum, Hudbay, Altius Mineral, Turquoise, you know. So, and one of those that did resist to fall, it's Northern Dynasty. For all of those other sectors, it's very quiet. Is the question bar open? Please open the question bar. And and besides that, you know, it's not very, very interesting right now on the upside in most of the sector. The only thing we can do is to profit of some of the volatility, and and there are stocks that were so interesting this morning. Some like we did we spoke about yesterday in the technical analysis course, in the day trading course. We say when it opens on the upside on a gap, so you wait until you see going up or down, and then it went down on that stock. So this one wasn't that good, but we had this stock though has produced a very nice movement this morning. So if you look at it, you'll see the stock rose with a gap and went sideways, and then produced 1 and 2 and 3 nice bullish cycles. And then after that, after 11:15 at exactly 11:40, so the stock has initiated a new series of bullish cycle. Did not pay a lot, but it still was a nice movement. And this stock is nice also because, again, another nice bullish cycle has been produced this morning. And also this one, but this one was not as fun as the other one. But you know, the one of the best, and some of the on the market here, because of the strong decrease of Nasdaq this morning, SQQQ has produced a very nice cycle there. Something can happen too if Nasdaq comes back to zero or falls down. So there's still some money to make on those things here, and also on TZA, which look, this morning went from 18.20 to 19, and now it's coming down. But I mean, who knows? You know, if the market will fall back once more, because if you look at the Nasdaq market, it is returning at the moment. So we have it's not clear what direction the market will take so far, but we should see that in the afternoon. And on the SPY and the Dow Jones, it shouldn't take too long until we see the next movement there. I have one question from Anna here. I bought VNP at 320 on May 29, so that's 2 days ago. VNP. 5N plus on May 29. It was here on the breakout. The situation is not catastrophic so far. The movement did not continue, but we see very often this kind of movement, you know, until, you know, when the stock rises, when the quote rises like that, and then it started going sideways. It's just another sideways movement in the row. So you have paid 320. It's at 308 right now, but it is within this range here. So I think let's see it in 15 minutes. We may have a better picture. So there we are. So the reversal is about 295, and for the moment you still have chances to see the stock continuing a little bit more. So as I said, the exit point would be 295. I think we are going to the break now.
Find answers to your questions by emailing your host at btm@decisionplus.com.
5 good reasons to manage your investments with National Bank Direct Brokerage. Commission fees fixed at $9.95 anytime for all clients and starting at only $6.95 for active investors. No administrative fees if you hold at least $20,000 in your accounts. Registered accounts available in U.S. currency. Powerful tools to help you manage your portfolio. Award-winning customer service and satisfaction levels amongst the highest in the industry. To learn more, visit nbdb.ca or call us now.
Real-time coaching has been created. We search and classify critical reports and technical movements. You can visualize or hear the best buying and selling opportunities. Get real-time advice all day long and 3 live coaching shows per day. Let us do the work and save your time for trading. Try marketgurus.tv free without obligation for 10 days in the menus above.
There's that one stock here that could do something sooner or later. It is going sideways right now, but the volume is more important than it used to be. You know, there was a very clear sideways movement here, but look, since the last breakout, the volume remains heavy. So that would be very interesting whenever it breaks around 75, 78 cents for that stock. And so look, the gold is going up, but the stock came back down. So there are a lot of stocks near their support right now. Franco-Nevada is going up, and is one of the only that goes up, because the other one, look at Gold Corp, putting lots of pressure on its support here. $18 would be the breakdown, and but in most cases the stocks are either flat on their support or slightly going down. So there's not much stuff positive there. Look at Eldorado Gold, that is going down also quite fast, heading towards 375. And Agnico Eagle is not strong neither. So I think we should avoid the mining, the oil stock, because they're still going down there, making new lows. So it could head down until the last bottom here. So I think we have to pass on buying long anything in the energy sector, gold for the moment also, and mining. And all of the other sector are quite negative. This morning, the financial sector was going down, but it was not the bank. It was mostly Power Financial, Laurentian Bank, Industrial Alliance, and Great West and Sun Life also, that all had some downward pressure. So we're still experiencing a little pullback on the mining so far. And the SPTT is making an attempt on the upside here, but it's very little so far. So you know, we are into at the road crossing here, and so the next acceleration will show us if we're going to end up positively today, or if we're going to end the day at the bottom or even lower than that. But it's been very impressive, this drop this morning, so I think we should be aware of that. Okay, so what else can I show you? The gas is also going down, so there was quite a bit of movement on many stocks this morning, as if you look at the stock here, you know, when the market has some extreme volatility like that, it becomes interesting to trade a few stocks like no, this one here, the Direction Financial, you know, the financial bear this morning. Look, let's see it with 5 minutes. It's going to be easier. So you see, there has been such a movement this morning. So you know, this one can pay some money whenever we change the direction. And TZA also has been very nice this morning, 1820 to 1880. But you know, after that, there has been a nice buy signal and also a sell signal there. So I hope you have escaped from this, and also the gas, because the gas is plunging on this morning. So we went from 23.41 to 24.48, so that's about 5% increase. Pardon, what you said? Yeah, like this. Yeah, I gotta put it this way. Yeah, I made it too big so you couldn't see it. So, but right now, you know, everything is the crude oil is going, the energy stocks are going up right now. Let's see it here. Okay, we had a little upward movement, I was saying, but it's not enough so far. We have a triple resistance here at the moment, so we need a clear breakout through this in order to do something. But I wouldn't buy it anyway because it's going to be a rebound. If you look at the stocks, in most cases, you see most of the stocks are going down, and even if they come back a little bit today, it doesn't make it a good buy signal so far. We could not be convinced that we have reached the bottom yet on those oil stocks. So we better be cautious before buying anything in there. So let me check for you if I have some interesting signal just before I leave. And so let's see this. Okay. Couche-Tard, but with no volume, is breaking out with tons of resistance there, so it doesn't make it very nice. So, you know, there's not much nice stuff there to buy even anyway on Toronto. So now the Dow is coming back down. So, you know, it could be the new direction, you know, but all U.S. markets are now heading down. You know, chances are good that we go back to the bottom of the day. This is it for today, folks. Thank you very much for attending. We'll catch you at this time on next Wednesday.